Yeah, good evening. Today also our video is on how to play music and use camera at the same time. Yeah, so I'm actually going to play music and try to make a video whilst playing the music. So as you can hear, the song is playing. And pause it and try the camera. I'm actually going to try to make a video if it's only going to be possible to hear the sound. Wow, the music just stopped, as you can see. So it stopped. Let me choose a different music and show you the right way to make a video whilst playing music as well on normal camera on an iPhone. So let me choose Too Young by Your Hero. So you can hear the song playing. You switch. Okay, now you tap on your camera, then go to photo. Tap on photo, and then from there you press and hold the button there and swipe to the right side. Press and hold and swipe to the right side, and there you'll be able to listen and make a video along with your music. Yeah, as you can see, I'm now playing music and making a video at the same time. So kindly watch and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.